Namaskar, I am Bimal Chandra Pal, MSL Secondary School, Kotsapur, Jhinai. Dear students, I hope that you are well. I am well too. Now, only the form of the sentence is changed, but there is no change of the meaning of the sentence. That is transformations. Transformations. Our today's lesson is transformations, assertive to interrogative. Assertive to interrogative. Interrogative, assertive to interrogative. Dear students, with these lessons or from these lessons, you will be able to transform from assertive to interrogative, and you will be able to know the given assertive sentence, what type of assertive sentence is given, and you will be able to transform that type of assertive into interrogative. Now I write rule 1 on the blackboard. You will follow the blackboard carefully. Rule 1. Rule 1. I play football. If the given assertive is affirmative, when we shall transform that into negative interrogative. Have you understood, dear students? I think that you have understood it. If the given assertive is affirmative, that assertive will be transformed into negative interrogative. Now I transform it into interrogative. This is present indefinite tense. I hope that you know the negative interrogative structure of the present indefinite tense. I write the negative interrogative structure of the present indefinite tense under the given structure. Don't object doesn't plus subject plus V1 plus object. We can transform this assertive following this structure, because the given sentence is the given assertive is affirmative, and the tense is present indefinite tense. Now I transform it into interrogative. Here, if the given subject is first person or second person, when we shall transform into negative, don't. If the given subject is first person, don't will be used at the very beginning of the sentence. Here I is subject and that is first person. So don't. Don't plus subject. Subject is I plus V1. V1 means the present form of a verb. The present form of a verb. I think you have understood it. V1 means the present form of verb. Here is verb play. Play plus object. The object is here football. Football. Now it is completed to transform. I think you have understood well it, how it is transformed into interrogative sign. Now I shall write another rule on the blackboard. You will follow the blackboard carefully. Now I write rule 2. Rule 2. I write an assertive on the blackboard. He does not eat rice. I have written an assertive on the blackboard. This is negative. This is a negative sentence. We know that if the given assertive is negative form, how we can transform that into interrogative? When we shall transform this into interrogative, interrogative will be affirmative. Affirmative interrogative will be here because the given assertive is negative. If the given assertive is negative, interrogative will be affirmative interrogative. Have you understood, dear students? I think you have understood. Now I shall transform this into interrogative. When you will transform this type of sentence, you have to follow the tense. In which tense that sentence is given. Here follow this sentence is present indefinite tense. He does not eat rice. It is present indefinite tense. If the given sentence is present indefinite tense, in which structure this will be transformed, I write that structure under the given sentence. Next, we shall transform into interrogative. Don't oblique doesn't plus subject plus V1 plus object plus interrogative sign. You must have put the interrogative sign at the end of the sentence because you are transforming this into interrogative. If you don't give the interrogative sign at the end of the sentence, the answer will be wrong. Now I shall transform this into interrogative following this structure. I have discussed before it. If the given subject is third person singular number, if the given subject is third person singular number, you have to use doesn't. Here is subject he, so he is third person singular number. So here will be doesn't at the beginning of the sentence. Doesn't plus subject he plus V1. I have discussed before it. V1 means, you know well, I think. V1 means the present form of a verb. Here is the main verb is it. Now V1 it plus object here rice. No, it was wrong. The structure will be do or does plus subject plus V1 plus object. Here subject is he, third person singular number, so does plus subject he plus verb 1 eat plus object rice plus interrogative sign. Now it is completed. I think, dear students, you have understood well. Now I write another rule. Another rule 3. Every plus common noun added. Common noun added. If the given assertive is every plus common noun added, how we can transform that into interrogative? Now I write a sentence on the blackboard. Every mother loves her child. I have discussed before it that if the given sentence is affirmative, interrogative will be into negative interrogative. How we can transform this type of sentence into interrogative? Every plus common added. Here is every plus mother common noun, and this sentence is affirmative. Following this structure, we can transform this sentence into negative. Every plus in instead of every plus common noun who plus this is indefinite tense. So I think you know the negative structure of the present tense. Doesn't or don't plus verb plus respond plus interrogative sign. I have discussed before it. Dear students, you know that well. If the given sentence is affirmative, interrogative will be into negative. So here is doesn't or don't. I have written the structure instead of every plus common noun who. Here is every plus common noun. In place of this who plus doesn't or don't. You know well, dear students, if the given subject is third person singular number, doesn't will be doesn't. Here is every mother is third person, so doesn't will be here. Who doesn't plus verb. If doesn't is used, s or yes will be removed from the verb. Here is verb laughs, here is s. S will be removed because I have used here doesn't. Laugh plus rest part verb sign. Verb sign plus interrogative sign. It is completed to transform. I hope, dear students, you have understood well. Okay. I think, dear students, you have understood all these rules. How we can transform from assertive to interrogative. You know well, dear students, if the given assertive is affirmative, negative interrogative will be. And if the given assertive is negative, interrogative will be into affirmative. Okay? Now, homework. homework. We do the work. They do not read the book. And number C, everybody likes flower. Everybody likes flower. I have given three sentences for the homework. Dear students, you will transform all these three sentences into interrogative at your home, because opening of the school you will be evaluated with this homework. Mind it. Now the period of COVID-19 is going on. All the schools are closed. The online classes are going on. You will stay home safe. When you will go out, you must wear mask. No more today. Thanks a lot to you, dear students. You will be met again next class.